All our names carries stories. Lahat tayo, hindi lang pangalan. May kanya-kanya tayong kwento. Behind that name, there are years of stories. There are years of pain. There are years of sacrifices. There are years na kung saan hinahanap nila ang kanilang sarili. There are years na kung saan gusto na nilang mga sumuko. Our name is a carrier of stories. Ang Panginoon, hindi lang binigyan tayo ng pangalan. Yung pangalan na yon, meron siyang storya na sinulat doon. That your life is precious. So ang Panginoon, hindi pa tapos sa'yo. Your life is designed by God and your life has a purpose. Sabihin mo nga sa katabi mo, may purpose ka.